Hey class, just to give you a little instruction on the Earth Day bingo for Monday, April 20th. Um, so you're going to get a black and white copy of bingo squares, whoops, and then a colored copy, and then you're going to get a bingo card. So what you'll do is pick one or the other, the black and white or the colored, and you're going to cut them out and just randomly put them on your bingo card. Okay, and then with a helper, maybe a parent or a sibling, you'll take the other ones that you did not cut out and glue on. You'll cut those out and then draw them randomly. Okay, flip them over and draw them randomly and try to get a bingo. Okay, so use one or the other on the card and then cut the other ones up to draw and mark and see if you can get a bingo. The big takeaway for me on this is, being familiar with the pictures and really relating them to Earth Day and taking care of our planet and the things that go along with Earth Day. So good luck and have fun with Earth Day Bingo.